Hello CIS scholars, welcome you all. Students, we will continue with the same chapter, that is lesson number 9, more multiplication. So let's start. Till now, what we have studied in lesson 9? Recall multiplication, multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4, multiplying by 6, and multiplication of a two-digit number without regrouping, right? So today we will start with the new topic. So let's move to the next slide first. Today our topic is multiplication of a two-digit number. In the last session we have done without regrouping. Today we will do with regrouping. But we will start with regrouping once. So let's start now. So here is the question. 45 multiplied by 2. This means 2 times 5 ones and 2 times 4 tens, right? Now, first we will start with ones column, right? So 5 ones multiplied by 2. Just see here. 5 multiplied by 2. First we will do only ones, okay? So let's say the table of 2. 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10, right? Here it is 5 twos are. So 5 twos are 10. We will write 0 in ones column and 1 in tens column, right? Now, we have done ones column. We have taken this 1 as a carryover in the tens column. Now, first, what we have to do is we will multiply it. Then we will add this 1, right? First, multiplication, then you will add it. Otherwise, you will get the answer wrong. See here, I have done with the red color. Can you see this? 4 multiplied by 2. First, you will multiply it. 4 multiplied by 2. So, let's say the 2 table. 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8, right? Now 8 plus 1. Now you will add it. You are getting the answer. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1. Now you will get the answer 9. You will not do the addition first. You will not add it first. You will multiply it. Then you will add it. Okay. So I'll repeat it. First we will start with the ones column. So 5 twos are 10, right? So we are writing 0 in ones column and 1 in the tens column. After this, first multiply. 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1. You will get the answer 9. Okay. Now let us see the next sum. Okay. So 24 multiplied by 4. This means 4 times 4 ones and 4 times 2 tens. So first we will start with ones column. 4 multiplied by 4. Okay. So let's say the 4 table. Start saying it along with me. 1 fours are 4. 2 fours are 8. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16, right? So we will write 6 in ones column and 1 is your carryover. It will go to the tens column. Done? Now, if you remember, in addition we used to add the carryover, right? Here also we will add it, But before that, we will multiply it and then you will add it. Okay. So first you will multiply it. So 2 multiplied by 4. First multiply it. So let's say the table of 4. 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are, or you can say 2 4s are 8. Right? Now you are getting the answer. 4 2s are or 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. Now you will add it. You have to add the carryover. So 8 plus 1. You get the answer 9. Done? Let's move to the next slide. The question is 35 multiplied by 2. This means 2 times 5 ones and 2 times 3 tens. So we will start with ones column. So 5 multiplied by 2. So let's say the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. And 5 2s are 10. We have to say till 5, right? So 5 2s are 10. 0 in ones column and 1 in tens column. Done? Now, first multiplication. So we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 2. So let's say the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. We have to say till 3. So 3 2s are 6. Now 6 plus 1. Now you will add the carryover. 6 plus 1. You get the answer 7. Let us do one more sum. Okay. 19 multiplied by 4. This means 4 times 9 ones and 4 times 1 10. Starting with ones column, 9 fours are. So let's say the 4 table. 1 fours are 4. 2 fours are 8. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. 7 fours are 28. 8 fours are 32. 9 fours are 36. So we have to write 36. So 6 in ones column, 3 in tens column. Now, so there is a carryover in tens column, okay? But we have to multiply it first. 1 multiplied by 4. So 1 fours are 4. 4 plus 3. So open your 3 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's a correct answer. So 4 plus 3, you get the answer 7. Now look at this slide. 24 multiplied by 3. This means 3 times 4 ones and 3 times 2 tens. Starting with ones column, 4 multiplied by 3. So let's say the 3 table. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. So we will write 2 in ones column and 1 in tens column. Now we have completed ones column. Now look at the tens column. 2 multiplied by 3. First we will multiply the number. So 2 multiplied by 3. So let's say the 3 table. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. Yes, that's the correct answer. 6 plus 1, 7. Fine. Now let's see the next sum. 35 multiplied by 2. Okay, that means 2 times 5 ones and 2 times 3 tens. So let's multiply the numbers first in ones column. 5 multiplied by 2. So let's say the table of 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So 0 in ones column and 1 in tens column. Done? Now look at the tens column. 3 multiplied by 2. First we will multiply. 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Right, students? Now, let's move to the next slide. Students, these are some questions and this is for practice. So you will practice in your rough book, right? Learn the tables. Thank you.